Everybody, take a quick look up front. I'm just going to go over the last two questions. That's what the majority of the people got wrong. This one and this one. If you looked at your notes, I asked you to put a little 2 there, just to remind yourself that's what you're aiming for, powers of 2. So we need to break up A3 into A2 and A1. We need to break up B3 into B2 and B1. We need all the 2's we can get. What's the square root of 4? 2. As soon as you use it, cross it out. So I'm going to cross out the 4 because I found it already. Is there a good square root of 7? That stays on the inside. How about A2? That becomes A. The square root of A2 is A. The square root of B2 is B. Anything that I cross out is something I pull to the outside. Whatever's left stays in there. The A1 and the B1. You are done. This is used in Algebra 2. This year we're just learning how to do it. For this one, you use this column over here. This is going to be up the whole year. You broke up 28 using the 4. When you got a little 3 there, you got to use this column. How do I get these numbers? Where did they come from? How do I get 8? 2 to the third. 2 times 2 times 2. So if you are wondering what the cube root of this is, it's 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. I can only use this in this problem. So which of those is going to break up my 54? 27. Times what? 2. I need 3's this time. Over here, I needed 2's. So what am I going to break up my M4 into? M3 and M1. You just break it into 2 chunks. I can't do anything with the N. I can't break that into any 3's. Same deal. If you bring it outside, you cross it out. What's the cube root of 27? How did I get 27 over here?
4.
3 times 3 times 3. I can't do anything with the 2. It stays in there. What's the cube root of M3? The whole point in making it a 3 was so that I could pull out that M. The rest stays in there. These are the answers to the last 2, Dave Allen. Next class. If anybody has questions about corrections, that's when we can discuss it. Most of you have already figured out most of what you did wrong. You'll figure out 90%. Whatever's left over, I'll go over next class, and we'll finish up exponents. I'll give you all the answers to your packet. That's your homework, is just to make sure that your packet is at least attempted.
I already did that.